happening, guys? Today we are going to be checking out this rusty, musty, dusty International 2600. It's been sitting in the woods for about 10 years. It runs fantastic. However, it's pretty rusty. It's got a clutch problem. The cab's all rotted out the bottom. The frame is nasty in the back, and it's got moss all over it. But we're going to return to it to some former glory here today, so stick around. So the first thing we're going to be addressing is this clutch issue. See, the cab is so rotted out that when you press this down, there's no spring left down here because the cab's rotted out and spring fell out to make that adjustment anymore, so it doesn't come back up. But it still works. It's totally functional, but it has no spring rate return. So we're going to be combining a little bit of a trampoline with this here truck, and we're going to make it all work. So let's see what we can do. So first I'm going to take this upper apparatus out here. I was going to try to get up here a little farther, but I can't quite get the angle on it. So I'm going to start here lower, and if I have to go up higher eventually, I will. But we'll start here and see what we can do. What I've done here is cut this so exactly perfectly, I'm going to be able to thread a bolt into there. Hang that off and then attach to my pedal like an apparatus. So what I'm going to be trying to be doing is welding a bolt to the inside of that pedal there. I'm going to be using my little arccaptain. If you saw a previous video, I did a video on this thing. It's a really great little welder. This is a free shout out for them. That's how much I enjoy this thing. If you want to go check that video out, you get 5% off if you order anything off that site using code Joe5. So this is the welder I'm going to be using. I'm going to stab it on the back of that pedal, and we're going to make it go. Moment of truth here. Might work. Dang. I think that functions. Good enough. Gee whiz. There we go. Let's get it cleaned up. Well, there we go. I think we got this thing looking downright beautiful. It's not perfect by any means, of course, but is a heck of a lot better. I took a mountain of sludge off this thing. I know there's probably easier, faster way to do it with chemicals or whatnot, but I just did a power washer and a little bit of elbow grease, and it looks pretty presentable. I think you drive this down the road without getting pulled over constantly. Let's go for a drive in it. Let's see what it drives like. All right, let's see if she still starts up after washing it. No problem whatsoever. Clutch. Here we are. Gear jamming. You may be asking yourself, Joe, why would you buy an ancient dump truck? Well, why not? You build one road with this thing. Jeez, work that clutch pedal, Joe. But you buy one, you build one road with this, or anything like that, and you've already got your money back out of the thing. $2,000 what we paid for this rig, and I consider that a pretty good deal, even with the damage on it, how the condition was. It's still a pretty cool truck, goes down the road decent. I think we'll have some fun with it. I think we're going to build a road with it down the way. But it's fun just to drive too and figure it out. But thanks for watching, guys. Let me know how filled this truck is in the comments still, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.